हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द बेसिक नॉलेज। आज आम डिस्कस करबा ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी जेते सारा रहिले बायोलॉजी रो ब्रांच ताकू आम डिस्कस करबा। और लाइफ स्टॉक इंस्पेक्टर रो बहुत सारा क्लासेस आम चैनल रे प्रोवाइडेड अछि। बायोलॉजी रो ऑलमोस्ट सब सिलेबस सरी गलानी। जदि आपण माने देखि नाहंती ताले डिस्क्रिप्शन रे प्लेलिस्ट वाइज लिंक अवेलेबल अछि, जाय कि विजिट करंतु एवं आम चैनल द बेसिक नॉलेज को सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु, जहा फल रे जहा भी वीडियो आम अपलोड करूछु ता नोटिफिकेशन आपन को समय अनुसार मिलुथबो। ठीक अछि, आम डिस्कस करबा। देखंतु प्रथम हैला व्हाट इज सेल बायोलॉजी। ठीक है, द ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी विच डील्स विथ द स्टडी ऑफ सेल्स इज कॉल्ड सेल बायोलॉजी और सेल्युलर बायोलॉजी। ठीक अच्छे, प्रथम आम डिस्कस कले सेल बायोलॉजी कौन बा साइटोलॉजी कौन। सेल बायोलॉजी कहले जो ब्रांच साइंस रो बा बायोलॉजी रो जो ब्रांच रे आमे सेल कथा पढ़े ताहाकू सेल बायोलॉजी कहुचे। द ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी विच डील्स विथ द स्टडी ऑफ सेल्स इज कॉल्ड सेल बायोलॉजी और सेलुलर बायोलॉजी। आगो को देखिबा सब ब्रांच जहाँ रही बायोलॉजी रो। प्रथमे जानिबा साइंस कौन बा साइंस काहाकू कहुचे। ताले साइंस ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फ्रॉम नॉलेज। ठीक है, फॉर्म ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर्म ऑफ नॉलेज इज कॉल्ड साइंस। मन रखिए, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर्म ऑफ नॉलेज इज कॉल्ड साइंस और सिस्टमेटिक नॉलेज दैट इज नॉलेज थ्रू द प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड साइंस। ठीक अच्छे, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड वे रे जदि आम नॉलेज को रखा तेरे आपको साइंस बोली कहुए। बायोलॉजी कौन देखंतु, व्हाट इज बायोलॉजी। The branch of science which deals with the study of living beings. Okay, the branch of science which deals with the study of living beings called biology. टर्म आपन को पचारि पारे को ब्रांच को कौन कहुए। ता सहित जूलॉजी कौन देखंतु, द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस विच डील्स विथ द स्टडी ऑफ एनिमल्स। ठीक है, बायोलॉजी रो से ब्रांच जोटा कि एनिमल रो स्टडी सहित रिलेटेड ताकू जूलॉजी बोली कहुए थाए। ठीक है, ता सहित देखिबा व्हाट इज मॉर्फोलॉजी। मॉर्फोलॉजी द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस which deals with the study of total general structure and forms including the shape, size and appearance. ठीक है, मॉर्फोलॉजी कहले तार बाह्य अपीयरेंस टा। ठीक होची, सेटा को कहा जाए मॉर्फोलॉजी। द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस which deals with the study of total general structure कोनोसी स्पेसिस रो। ठीक अछि, तार बाह्य स्ट्रक्चर टा इन द फॉर्म्स इंक्लूडिंग शेप, साइज, अपीयरेंस तेबे ताको हमें मॉर्फोलॉजी बोली कहि थाउ। नेक्स्ट देखिबा व्हाट इज एनाटॉमी। The branch of science which deals with the study of internal structure। जो मॉर्फोलॉजी रहिला सेटा स्टडी ऑफ एक्सटर्नल स्ट्रक्चर बाह्य। ठीक है, किंतु एनाटॉमी होची इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर रो। ठीक है, आफ्टर कटिंग और डिसेक्शन। The branch of science which deals with the study of internal structure after cutting or dissection is called anatomy. तापर देखिबा हिस्टोलॉजी। What is histology? The branch of science which deals with the study of tissue और माइक्रोस्कोपिक एनाटॉमी इज कॉल्ड हिस्टोलॉजी। हिस्टोलॉजी होची स्टडी ऑफ टिश्यू, फॉर एग्जांपल माइक्रोस्कोपिक एनाटॉमी। ताहले स्टडी ऑफ टिश्यू को हिस्टोलॉजी बोली कहा जाए। आगो को जिबा व्हाट इज साइटोलॉजी। द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस व्हिच डील्स विथ द स्टडी ऑफ सेल। ठीक है, एंड देयर ऑर्गेनेल्स। सेल आउ तार ऑर्गेनेल रे विषय रे स्टडी करबा को साइटोलॉजी बोली कहा जाए। द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस व्हिच डील्स विथ द स्टडी ऑफ सेल्स एंड देयर ऑर्गेनेल्स इज कॉल्ड साइटोलॉजी और सेल बायोलॉजी। नेक्स्ट दिबा स्टडी ऑफ टिक्स एंड माइट्स। माइट मानकर जो रहिला स्टडी ताकू एकारियोलॉजी कहा जाए। मन रखिबे, एकारियोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ टिक्स एंड माइट्स। नेक्स्ट द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस व्हिच डील्स विथ द स्टडी ऑफ रेडिएशन इफेक्ट ऑन एन ऑर्गेनिज्म। तो ऑर्गेनिज्म ऊपर रेडिएशन इफेक्ट जो रही तार स्टडी करिया को एक्टिनोबायोलॉजी कहा जाए। मन रखिबे, एक्टिनोबायोलॉजी इज द स्टडी ऑफ साइंस द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस व्हिच डील्स विथ द स्टडी ऑफ रेडिएशन इफेक्ट ऑन ऑर्गेनिज्म। नेक्स्ट देखिबा व्हाट इज एरोबायोलॉजी। द स्टडी ऑफ फ्लाइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। द स्टडी ऑफ फ्लाइंग ऑर्गेनिज्म इज कॉल्ड एरोबायोलॉजी। देखिबा एग्रोफॉरेस्ट्री। What is agroforestry? This branch deals with the form of land used on which herbaceous crops and trees crops are cultivated. Agro कहले नॉर्मली हमर एग्रीकल्चर हे थाए। ठीक होची, फॉरेस्ट्री। ठीक होची, ताहले द ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस which deals with the form of land used on which herbaceous crops and trees crops are cultivated are called agroforestry. आगो को देखिबा व्हाट इज एग्रोनॉमी। साइंस व्हिच डील्स विथ द क्रॉप प्लांट। ओके, जोटा क्रॉप प्लांट रिलेटेड स्टडी रहिला ताको एग्रोनॉमी कहा जाए। दैट नॉर्मली एग्रीकल्चर रिलेटेड। एग्रोनॉमी साइंस व्हिच डील्स विथ द क्रॉप प्लांट्स इज कॉल्ड एग्रोनॉमी। देन स्टडी ऑफ ग्रास। Study of grass is called agrostology. Agrastology. Okay, grass ruhela agrastology. Study of grass are called agrastology. Next देखिबा science which deals with the study of blood vascular system is called angiology. Okay, the science which deals with the study of blood vascular system is called angiology. आगो को देखिबा study of flowers. Study of flowers is called anthology. Study of flowers is called anthology. Study of apes and man is called anthropology. Study of apes होची एप रु मनीषर उत्पत्ति हेची इवोल्यूशन थ्योरी रु जना पड़े ताले स्टडी ऑफ एप्स एंड मैन हेजिबो एंथ्रोपोलॉजी. नेक्स्ट देखिबा स्टडी ऑफ बी कीपिंग. ओके, बी कीपिंग होची एपीकल्चर. स्टडी ऑफ बी कीपिंग is called apiculture. Study of spider is called arenology. Arenology मन रखिबे. Study of spider होची arenology. Study of joint anthropology. ठीक अछि, anthropology is study of joint. Study of round worms गोलाकृमि. ठीक अछि, study of round worms are called ascitanthology. Ascitanthology is the study of round worms. Okay, study of bacteria bacteriology. Study of frog batrachology मन रखिबे. batrachology is the study of frog. आगु को देखिबा biochemistry, branch of science that deals with the study of chemical reaction in relation to life. देखो bio is related to life and chemistry is related to chemical reactions. That is why biochemistry, the branch of science that deals with the study of chemical reaction in relation to life activities is called biochemistry. Biometrics, statistical analysis of different results of biological experiment is called biometrics. Statistical analysis of different results of biological experiment is called biometrics. Then biotechnology, use of biological organisms in the commercial processes for producing fine chemicals such as drugs, vaccines, hormones, etc. on a large scale and at reasonable cost is called biotechnology. Okay, the branch of biology which is used for commercial processes by producing fine chemicals such as drug, vaccine, hormone, etc. are called biotechnology. Next, study of bryophytes. Study of bryophytes called bryology. मन रखिबे. Study of bryophytes are called bryology. Study of crab and crustaceans. Crustaceans is called carcinology. Study of crab is called carcinology. Next देखिबा study of heart. Study of heart is called cardiology. Okay, study of heart is called cardiology. Study of cartilage, उपास्थि स्टडी को कहा जाए chondriology. मन रखिबे, इंपोर्टेंट अच्छी. Study of cartilage is called chondriology. Study of pigment is called chromatology. Okay, chromatology color pigment जो रहिला. ठीक है, study of pigment is called chromatology. Next देखिबा study of Coelenterata. Study of Coelenterata is called cnidology. Okay, nidology. Study of Coelenterata is called cnidology. Study of cells. Study of cells is called conchology. Okay, study of cells known as conchology. Study of skull, मन रखिबे skull को कहा जाए craniology. Cranium, normally cranium रो craniology. Study of skulls के craniology. Study of effect on life at very lower temperature. बहुत कम टेम्परेचर रे जदि गोटे लाइफ को आम स्टडी करबा तबे ताको क्रायोबायोलॉजी. Cryobiology is the study of effect on life at a very low temperature is called cryobiology. Next देखिबा study of shrubs and trees. ठीक अछि, shrubs and trees called dendrology. Study of shrubs and trees is called dendrology. Study of skin is called dermatology. Study of skin is called dermatology. Study of problems of existence of life outer space is called ecobiology. Study of problems of existence of life in outer space is called ecobiology. Then देखिबा what is ecology. Study of relationship between organism and environment. Relationship between organism and their environment is called ecology. Next, study of embryo, that is developmental stages after fertilization or birth of young ones, is called embryology. Study of embryo is called embryology. Study of endocrine glands, okay, study of endocrine glands is called endocrinology. Study of endocrine gland is called endocrinology. Study of insects is called entomology. मन रखिबे, study of insects called entomology. Study of enzyme called enzymology. Study of mankind called ethnology. मन रखिबे, study of mankind called ethnology. Study of condition of animals or behavior of animals in a natural context is called ethology. Study of conditions of animals or behavior of animals in a natural context is called ethology. Next, study of diseases. Study of diseases is called etiology or pathology. Study of diseases is called etiology. Study of improvement of the human race by applying laws of heredity, it applied before birth. Eugenics is the related with future generation, that is why it is called eugenics. ठीक अच्छी, ताले future generation पाइन study करिबा. Study of improvement of the human race by applying law of heredity is called eugenics. Study of improvement of human, sorry टिके आगु को पळे आसिले, okay. Study of improvement of human race by drug treatment or gene engineering is called eugenics. Study of improvement of human race by drug treatment or gene engineering, that is called eugenics. Medical engineering of a genetic disorder is called eugenics. आगो को बढ़िबा, what is euthenics? Study of improvement of the human race by improving the environment. Study of improvement of human race by improving the environment called euthenics. It applied at after birth and is related to the present generation. Euthenics. What is evolution? The branch of science which deals with the study of origin of new form old, origin, variation, interrelationship between organism of past and present days is called evolution. The study of the relationship between organisms of past and present days is called evolution. Next देखिबा, what is exobiology? Space biology is called exobiology. Okay, space biology is known as exobiology. Study of flower yielding plants. Study of flower yielding plants are called floriculture. Floriculture is the study of flower yielding plants. Then what is genetics? Study of heredity and variation. Study of heredity and variation is called genetics. What is gerontology? Study of growing old. Study of growing old is called gerontology. Next देखिबा, gynecology. Study of female reproductive organs is called gynecology. Okay. Study of blood is called hematology. Study of blood is known as hematology. Study of helminthes. Study of helminthes is called helminthology. Next देखिबा, study of liver. Study of liver is called hepatology. Study of lizards and other reptiles is called herpetology. Study of lizards and other reptiles are called herpetology. Study which deals with sleep, okay, sleep सहित hypnology or hypnology is the study which deals with sleeping. Then histochemistry. Study of chemical nature for tissues is called histochemistry. Histo is related for tissue and chemistry for chemical nature. Okay, so histochemistry is study of chemical nature of tissues. Horticulture, study of flowering and fruit plants. Okay, study of flowering and fruit plants are called horticulture. Then what is ichnology? Study of fossil footprints is called ichnology. Okay, study of fossil footprints called ichnology. Next, immunology. What is immunology? Study of resistance of organism against infection. Study of resistance of organism against infection is called immunology, that is immunity system related achi. What is calology? Study of sensory or sensory emotional values, sometimes called judgments of sentiment and taste, is called calology. Calology is the study of sensory. Study of nucleus. Study of nucleus is called karyology. Okay, nucleus is related to karyo. That's why prokaryotes and eukaryotes माने थांती. Nucleus अर्थ होची karyo अर्थ nucleus. The study of nucleus is called karyology. Study of moth and butterfly, lepidopterology. Okay, lepidopterology. Lepidopterology is the study of moth and butterflies. Study of lichens. देखो स्टडी ऑफ लाइकेन्स होची लाइकोनोलॉजी. लाइकेन होचंती एल्गी फंगी एकत्र सहावस्थान करंती. सिम्बायोटिक रिलेशन ऑफ बिटवीन एल्गी एंड फंगी इज कॉल्ड लाइकेन. तले लाइकेन को आमे गोटे नेचुरल इंडिकेटर भाव में अम्ल क्षार को जानिबा पई व्यवहार करि थाउ लिटमस पेपर आकार रे. ठीक हैला. तले लाइकोनोलॉजी स्टडी ऑफ लाइकेन्स. लिम्नोलॉजी स्टडी ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर लेक, pond and streams in relation with plants and animals is called limnology. Then what is malacology? Study of mollusca. Okay, study of mollusca is called malacology. mollusca में जो गेंडा ऑक्टोपस रहिले शामुका रहिला से सबुर स्टडी करबा को malacology बोली कहा जाए. स्टडी ऑफ mammals स्तन्यपायी मानकर तांका मध्य जो करबा स्टडी करबा को mammalogy कहा जाए. mammalogy. ओके, स्टडी ऑफ ब्रेस्ट mastology. ठीक अछि. स्टडी ऑफ पिगमेंट्स melanology. Study of pigments is called melanology. Study of life science on molecular level, that is RNA and DNA level, is called molecular biology. Then study of fungi or fungus. Study of fungi is called mycology. Study of ant is called myrmecology. Study of newborn up to 1 month ago, 1 month age. Okay, newborn up to 1 month age is called neonatology. Okay, neonatology is the study of newborn up to 1 month of age. Study of kidney. Study of kidney is called nephrology. Study of nervous system is called neurology. Study of nails of bird is called nidology. Study of diseases is called nosology. Okay, study of teeth and gums. Study of teeth and gums is called odontology. Okay, study of teeth and gums is called odontology. Study of vegetable yielding plants is called olericulture. Olericulture is study of vegetable yielding plants. Study of cancer is called oncology. Study of cancer is called oncology. Study of dreams is called oneiriology. Study of embryonic history is called ontogeny. Study of egg of birth is called oology. Study of egg is called oology. Study of eyes is called ophthalmology. मन रखिबे, study of eye called ophthalmology. Study of development of organs under embryology is called organocology. Okay, study of development of organs under embryology is called organocology. Study of organs organology. Study of birds ornithology. Study of bones is called osteology. Same thing. Study of ear, nose and throat is called otorhinolaryngology. Study of larval stage, मन रखिबे larval stage रो study को pedology बोली कहा जाए. Study of fossils and their distribution is called paleozoology. Okay, study of fossils and their distribution in time is called paleozoology. Study of fossils of animal is called paleozoology. Study of pollen grains. Study of pollen grains in relation to taxonomy and evolution is called palynology. Study of parasite is called parasitology. Study of various diseases in human being is called pathology. Study of porifera. Okay, porifera is called parazoology. Study of periphery is known as porifera parazoology. Study of soils are called pedology. Branch of science dealing with the medical plants is called pharmacognosy. Okay, pharmacognosy is the branch of science dealing with the medical plants. Study of synthesis and effect of medicine on organism is called pharmacology. Study of organisms as affected by seasonal climate, for example bird migration, opening of flower is called phenology. Phenology is the study of organism as affected by seasonal climate such as bird migration, opening of flower, etc. Okay, phenology. The study of mental faculties of brain including feeling is called phrenology. Phrenology is the study of mental facilities of brain including feeling. What is phycology? Phycology is study of algae. Study of algae is called algology or phycology. Study of evolutionary history is called phylogeny. Study of function of various parts within organism is called physiology. मन रखिए, study of functions of various parts within the organism is called physiology. What is pisciculture? Study of rearing of fish is called pisciculture. Study of flatworms are called platyhelminthology. Platyhelminthology is study of flatworms. What is pomology? Study of fruits is called pomology. What is poultry? Study which deals with the keeping of fowl is called poultry. What is proctology? Study of hind gut including rectum and anus is called proctology. What is protistology? Study of protistas are called protistologies. It is field of study overlaps with more traditional disciplines of algology, mycology and protozoology. That is the protistology, study of protista. What is pteridology? Study of pteridophytes. Study of pteridophytes are called pteridology. Study of nose and olfactory organs is called rhinology. Rhinology is the study of nose and olfactory organs. Then study of lizard. Study of lizard is called sorology. Sorology is called study of lizards. What is sericulture? Silk industry concerned with culture in silk moth and pupa is called sericulture. Okay, sericulture. What is serology? Study of serum is called serology. That is the interaction of antigens and antibodies in the blood. Okay, interaction of antigens and antibodies, that is called serum. So study of serum is called serology. Study of snakes. Study of snakes is called ophiology or sepantology. Study of development of forest is called silviculture. Study of dietetics is called cytology. Study of species is called speciology. Study of seeds. Study of seeds is called spermology. मन रखिबे, study of seeds important रही आपन का पाई spermology. Study of visceral organs is called splanchnology. Okay, study of visceral organs is called splanchology. Study of foregut including buccal cavity and stomach is called stomatology. Okay, stomatology, study of foregut including buccal cavity and stomach. Study of bony joints and ligaments is called synecology. Study of skin and stuffing and skin is called taxidermatology. Then the branch of science which deals with the study of classification of organism is called taxonomy. Taxonomy is the branch of science which deals with the study of classification of organism. What is teratology? Study of fetal malformation is called teratology. What is torpedology? Study of skates and rays is called torpedology. What is toxicology? Study of narcotics and influence of narcotics in various organisms is called toxicology. Study of wounds and turnover is called traumatology. Study of hair is called trichology. मन रखिबे, study of hair is called trichology. Study of nutrition is called trophology. Study which deals with the preservation of Dill's bodies in liquids by chemicals is called urobiology. Next देखिबा आगो को पळे आसले Okay, what is trichology? Study of hair is called trichology. What is trophology? Study of nutrition. What is urology? Study of wine. Study of wine is called urology, including diseases and the abnormalities of urinary and urinogenetical tract is called urology. Then virology, study of virus is called virology. The branch of science which deals with the study of distribution of animals on earth is called zoogeography. Study of physical aspect of living organism is called biophysics. Physical aspect of physics, living organism ru bio, so biophysics. Okay, study of cytological basis of inheritance is called cytogenetics. Study of acquired characteristics of organism, acquired characteristics. Okay, so tetology. Study of fish and its culture. Study of fish and its culture is called ichthyology. Study of muscle movement is called kinesiology. Study of plants distribution on earth is called phytogeography. Study of distribution and characteristic of fossil is called paleobotany, or paleobotany is the study of distribution and characteristic of fossils. What is psychobiology? Study of behavioral aspect of animals is called psychobiology. Sarcology, study of muscles is called sarcology. Syndesmology, study of bone joints and ligaments is called syndesmology. Then tectology, study of structural organization of body is called tectology. What is zoophytology? Study of drifting microorganisms such as diatoms is called zoophytology. तो आमे मैंने A to Z जहाँ भी थिला बायोलोजी रो ब्रांच सबू जाक ये वीडियो रे डिस्कस करिचे। तेणु लाइफस्टॉक इंस्पेक्टर रो प्राय आमर जहाँ भी सिलेबस अच्छी सेटा कवर हो आसलानी आम चैनल रे। जदि आपण मैंने देखि नाते ताले डिस्क्रिप्शन रे सब्जेक्ट वाइज प्लेलिस्ट अवेलेबल अच्छी सेठी जाई विजिट करंतु एवं आम चैनल द बेसिक नॉलेज को सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु जहाँ फल जहाँ वीडियो आम अपलोड करूँ ता नोटिफिकेशन आपको समय अनुसार मिलुथिबो। धन्यवाद।